was up. So we are in the warehouse right now, and we are letting SV build a bike. And the one thing he doesn't know is we're gonna let him take the bike home. We're gonna give him a bike. His bike's been clapped. We're gonna sort him out.
You like the white or you like the full black? Right? That's what I'm saying. Black mode. Hey, what's up guys? We're back with another new video. I'm gonna be unboxing the Strike SX in the black edition today at Epic Cycles. Let's get started.
Shadow SX comes with a 14-17 wheel set, a 60 volt, 27 amp hour battery that pushes 3,500 watts, .4 brakes, a top speed of 70 kilometers an hour with a range of also 70 kilometers an hour, all for $3,100. This bike is perfect for somebody like SV. What do you do if this is your bike?
I'll be stoked.
Alright, Chris.
Nah,
Yeah.
you're playing.
Your bike's clapped. You need a new one.
My bike is clapped, but you're not trolling.
No, I'm not trolling. You get this whole thing. It's you.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. That's insane.